Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you saw from the title, we will unbox the new The Eye Edit box by Cultbeauty. The Eye Edit box worth over £100, but yours for £37, and this is great. Inside we have 7 eye essential products, 5 full-size products, 1 travel size product, and 1 deluxe formula. We will see what this means. Okay, beautiful people, let's dig in. First product that I found is from the Inky list, Caffeine Eye Cream. This cream contains caffeine, an antioxidant derived from coffee that helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and prevent skin damage from free radicals. May be used in the morning and evening as well, is fragrance free, and this is great for me. I never tried a product from the Inky list. If you tried this brand before, let me know your opinion about it in the description box. Here I have a cleansing gel from Oskia London, Renaissance Cleansing Gel. I tried this cleanser before and I like it. It is a non-foaming cleanser, very gentle with the skin, doesn't dry the skin, a very nice cleanser. I guess that this is the travel size product from the box. Next we have a mascara from Iconic London, Triple Treat Mascara in black. With Iconic London brand I am not very familiar. I'm curious to try this mascara. The packaging is beautiful. Let's see the wand. I like it. It has small silicone bristles. This means that it is a volumizing mascara. Amazing. Here we have eye patches from Wishful, Eye Lift and Snatch, Instant Sculpting Mask. These patches will lift, reduce puffiness and brighten dark circles. Okay, is made in South Korea and is suitable for all skin types. Next we find a full-size makeup product from Viev, Eye Wand, in the shade Camel. And Viev, I hope I spell it right, is a new brand for me. I know that it has great reviews on the YouTube. I'm very happy that I will try it. This is how it looks. The packaging is very nice. The shade is beautiful. It is a warm matte dark brown. The formula is very creamy. The color is opaque. Until now, I like what I see. Sixth product that we find is from Face Halo, the Precision Makeup Remover. Inside we have 2 microfiber face halos. Only soak them in water and remove the makeup after wash and reuse. Well, this is a great and clean alternative to switch to, but with the eye area I'm not very happy to use this type of a product. I find them too harsh with our gentle eye area. On the face, yes, I am completely fine with, but for the eye area, nope. And ta-da! The last product that we find is an eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona, Mini Zendo palette. I'm very happy with this palette. I love Natasha Denona brand. This is how the palette looks, very pretty. We have 2 matte shades, 2 metallic shade, and this is more a satin finish shade. Very beautiful palette, like it a lot. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you liked today's video as much as I did. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!